Edo State First Lady, Mrs. Betsy Obaseki, don't beg victims of rape, make them they speak up. Say the state government they with them gidigba to get justice.
We're calling on people to come out and don't let anybody intimidate you. No human being has a right to oppress another human being. Every human being has a right to freedom and has a right to be happy and to enjoy this life that God has given us all.
Ms. Obaseki talked this one for one court sitting between the state versus Mr. Michael Ugbok, wey shele for Magistrate Court for Sapler Road, Benin City. Deputy Governor Right Honorable Philip Shuaibu follow attend this court matter with him wife, Mrs. Marianne Shuaibu. Ms. Obaseki says she go follow up the matter until them get justice so that this go be example for people where they do this kind thing. The court adjourned the case on the 10th of August.
Today's case has been adjourned to the 10th of August, and we're going to make time to come here again until we see the end of this case and ensure that justice is served. And that will be a deterrent to people out there. And we'll keep following every case like this. As long as we get to know of the case, we'll make sure we follow up with it until we get to the end of it.
Ms. Obaseki talks say dem get center wey go handle all this rape matter and gender-related wahala. Now it be the Vivian Ogun Center, and then go put one for every 18 local government area for the state, where people go to lodge any yamayama thing wey happen to them.
Nobody should hide anymore. People shouldn't be ashamed or embarrassed about these things. There's a center that the government has set up. It's the first in the state. We're planning to set up one in every local government. It's called the Vivian Center. It's the gender-based violence center where victims of rape and violence are encouraged to go to and lay their complaints.
Government go deal with all these bad people and help people wey be victim of this yamayama thing get justice. This na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Jennifer Eimema Ikimi from Benin.